Hi, day 37 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Quick review first. 重点，重点，重点 key point. 真的，真的，真的 real. 知道，知道，知道 known. Follow me to learn. 变化，随机，操作。First one 变化，变化 means change. The weather often changes in England. 英格兰的天气常常变化，变化 change.化 Next one 随机，随机 means random.随机 The winner will be chosen randomly. 随机抽取中奖用户，随机 random. 操作，操作 means handle or operation. Handle 操作。Do you know how to handle the machine? 你知道这机器怎么操作吗？操作，提手旁，口，木，做，人字旁，操作。变化，变化，变化 change. 随机，随机，随机 random. 操作，操作，操作 handle. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your own DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.